Hey there, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a humble herb that's been hiding in plain sight in your spice rack. This little green powerhouse may transform your approach to health and wellness in unexpected ways. This, my friends, is oregano. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just for pizza? Oh, how wrong I was when I thought the same thing. The ancient Greeks called it Oreganum, meaning joy of the mountain, and let me tell you, it's brought a mountain of joy to my life. I know. You're probably skeptical. I was too. But stick with me, because what I discovered about this unassuming herb blew my mind, and I think it might just change your life too. A few weeks back, I stumbled upon an article about the health benefits of oregano. At first, I laughed it off. I mean, come on, a pizza topping as a health food? But the more I researched, the more intrigued I became. Let me break down why oregano is so incredibly amazing. Oregano, a humble herb commonly found in kitchens around the world, is far more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. This unassuming plant packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, making it a true superfood in its own right. Let's start with its role as an antioxidant powerhouse. Oregano is brimming with compounds like rosmarinic acid, thymol, and carvacrol, which act as potent antioxidants. These molecules help neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. In fact, oregano has one of the highest antioxidant activities among culinary herbs, outperforming many fruits and vegetables in this regard. Perhaps even more impressive is oregano's reputation as nature's antibiotic. The essential oils found in oregano, particularly carvacrol and thymol, exhibit strong antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Research has shown that oregano oil can effectively combat a wide range of pathogens, including some strains of bacteria that have developed resistance to conventional antibiotics. This natural alternative could prove invaluable in an era of increasing antibiotic resistance. For those struggling with digestive issues, oregano might just be the superhero you've been waiting for. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the digestive tract, potentially alleviating symptoms of conditions like bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Oregano vinegar, in particular, has gained popularity as a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. The herb may also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, further aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Emerging research suggests that oregano could play a role in blood sugar management. Some studies have indicated that compounds in oregano may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels in the body. While more research is needed, these findings are particularly exciting for those at risk of or managing diabetes. Don't overlook oregano's contribution to bone health either. This herb is an excellent source of vitamin K, a nutrient crucial for calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Just 1 teaspoon of dried oregano provides about 8% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin K, making it an easy and delicious way to support skeletal strength. Surprisingly, oregano may also aid in wounds healing. Its antimicrobial properties can help prevent infection in minor cuts and scrapes, while its anti-inflammatory effects may promote faster healing. Some studies have even explored the potential of oregano compounds in developing advanced wound dressings. When it comes to respiratory health, oregano shines once again. A warm cup of oregano tea can work wonders for soothing sore throats and calming persistent coughs. The herb's expectorant properties may help clear congestion, providing welcome relief during cold and flu season. Lastly, for those dealing with the discomfort of irritable bowel syndrome, oregano might offer some respite. Its antispasmodic properties can help relax the smooth muscles of the intestines, potentially reducing cramping and abdominal pain associated with IBS. While it's not a cure-all, many find that incorporating oregano into their diet or drinking oregano tea helps manage their symptoms more effectively. From fighting free radicals to supporting digestive health, boosting immunity to promoting wounds healing, oregano truly is a multifaceted herb with an impressive array of potential health benefits. While more research is needed to fully understand and validate many of these effects, The existing evidence suggests that this common kitchen staple deserves a place of honor in both our spice racks and our natural medicine cabinets. Remember, while oregano shows great promise in many areas of health, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplement regimen. With that said, incorporating oregano into your daily life could be a simple and tasty way to boost your overall health and enjoy the myriad benefits this extraordinary herb has to offer. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how do I actually use oregano in my daily life? I'm so glad you asked. Let's start with cooking. It's the easiest way to incorporate oregano. Sprinkle dried oregano on your pizza or pasta. I also love adding it to my homemade tomato sauce. It takes the flavor to a whole new level. How about a salad booster? Try mixing fresh oregano leaves into your salads. It adds a wonderful depth of flavor and, of course, brings along all those health benefits. And now, tea time, my personal favorite. To make oregano tea, simply steep a tablespoon of fresh oregano leaves or a teaspoon of dried oregano in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, oregano vinegar. It's great for salad dressings or as a digestive aid. Infuse white vinegar with oregano leaves for a few weeks and voila. Lastly, oregano oil. This is more potent and should be used carefully. A drop or two of oregano oil mixed in a carrier oil can be applied topically for issues like fungal infections. Always dilute it properly and do a patch test first. Now, I want to be clear, while oregano has been a game changer for me, it's not a miracle cure-all. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health concerns, always check with your doctor first. Also, if you're on blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, be cautious with oregano as it contains vitamin K, which can interfere with these medications. So here's my challenge to you. Try incorporating oregano into your diet for just 1 week. Add it to one meal a day or brew a cup of oregano tea and see how you feel. Keep a journal of any changes you notice. You might be surprised at the results. Remember, sometimes the simplest changes can have the biggest impact on our health. Your journey to better well-being might just start with a sprinkle of this joy of the mountain. Here's to your health, and here's to the power of oregano. Stay healthy.